Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Louise Horn and I usually talk about all things skincare, hair care, makeup and sometimes clothing, and so if that's the sort of things that you like to watch then please do click on that subscribe button, and also come and follow me on Instagram as well, because you're going to see things on Instagram that you're not going to see here on YouTube. Now today's video is a little bit of a different one. I've already put up my HelloFresh first order that I received today, and I thought I would do separate videos showing you unboxing one of the bags, so that I have got 5 meals from HelloFresh, and each meal comes with a little brown little paper bag full of the ingredients, and so I thought I would show you guys what you get inside your bag. And so I will start with this one, which is number 2. And so number 2 is the super quick beef ragout. And so let's have a little look, see what you get in this bag. So inside the bag you get some fresh mushrooms. You get some chopped tomatoes with onion. You get some spinach. You get some penne pasta. You get a little pot of red wine stock pot. And you get a little sachet of Worcester sauce, and you get 1 carrot, and you get a Italian herb spices. So that is all of the ingredients that you need to do the super quick beef ragout that is not fridgeable, because I've also got the fridge pack, which is here, which I haven't opened yet, but I thought I would show you guys all of the ingredients for the different little meals that we've chosen. So yeah, that is everything in the number 2 meal, which is the super quick beef ragout. So I'm just going to pop them back into the bag because I want to keep it all together, and I'm going to be popping it all into the fridge because it does suggest that you keep everything in the fridge for freshness. So that's number 2. Now I'm also going to go through number 17 with you. So number 17 is this one, which is the super fast Asian spiced pork noodles. So inside your little paper bag, you get some fresh herbs. You get, what is this? Ketchup mayonnaise, I think it says. Let me have a little look. Yes. Ketchup mayonnaise. I'm not sure what that is, but a little sauce there. You get some egg noodles. You get some spring onions. You get a green pepper. You get Thai seasoning blend, little spice pot. You get some vinegar. So you actually get vinegar, you don't need your vinegar. You get, what is this? This looks like the same stuff as that other stuff. Yeah, that's another ketchup manis, and it looks like another ketchup namis. I don't even know what that is. And you get a little lime as well. And so, yeah, that is everything that is for your Asian spiced pork noodles. And then your pork mince. Oh, there's no coriander, is there? Oh, yes, coriander. Forgot that. So, yeah, all your ingredients that you need are on the side of your little recipe card. And then on the back, it tells you how to actually cook the meal. So with this one, it's cook the noodles, brown the pork, prep time, make the sauce, finish off, and then serve. And so that's that one. So let me just pop all those ingredients back into the bag so that I'm not getting anything mixed up. And I can just pop these straight into the fridge. I think that's everything. So yeah, that's number 17. So we will get the ingredients for number 1, which is the Kirby Chicken. So in here you get some flat leaf parsley, some green beans, you get some fresh white potatoes, you get some panko breadcrumbs, an onion, some balsamic vinegar, some herbs, and some mayonnaise. And so those are all the ingredients, except for the chicken breast. The chicken breast will be in the fridgeable bag. So that's all the ingredients for the Kirby chicken. I'll put these all back in the bag, keep them all together for when we are cooking those. So that's that Kirby chicken. Now we've got a number 15, which is the grilled pork. So what you get in number 15 for 2 people is you get some flat leaf parsley, you get some spinach, you get some whole grain mustard, you get some lentils, you get some chicken stock powder, and you get a carrot. So that's all the ingredients for your grilled pork, other than the pork loin steak, which will be in the fridge bag. So I'll pop all that back, keep it all together. That's it. Oh, and the lentils need to go back in. So that's everything for the grilled pork. And then the very last little bag is for number 10, which is the steak, strips, cheesy chips and posh gravy. Now they did send us a 4 people bag of this one, but we do only have HelloFresh for 2 people because it's me and my husband, and so yeah, they've just accidentally sent us a 4 people bag, and so there will be double the amount of ingredients in here. So let's have a look. You get some fresh mushrooms, you get some green beans, you get a red onion, you get some fresh white potatoes, bit of onion on the floor there, you get some plain flour, and you get some red wine stock pot. So that's all the ingredients for the steak strips, cheesy chips and posh gravy. And so you also get cheddar cheese, which will be in the fridgeable bag. And you also get the steak strips as well. And so, so yeah, I will pop all those back into the bag to keep it all together. And so that's that one. So what I will do now is I will show you what's in the fridgeable chilled bag. So this, you get some British pork loin steaks. You get your freezer pack, so that's a little ice cube in a bag just to keep it all nice and cold. You get some beef mince, little cold bag, some HelloFresh skinless breasts ×2. You also get some pork mince, some beef strips, some cheese Italian style little grated cheese. You get some creme fraiche, which I didn't know there was any creme fraiche. But anyway, yeah, you get a little creme fraiche. You get a little block of cheese. And then that's it. You've got the little ice in a bag just to keep everything cold. But yeah, that's everything in there. And so that's your little cool bag, which is all recyclable. It does say that it's made of 85% recycled PET, the same material as plastic bottles, and you need to check with your local recycling to see if they would recycle this this material. And so yeah, that is everything out of my HelloFresh little order for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please do click on that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and do comment down below if you have used HelloFresh before and let me know what your thoughts are, because yeah, this is the first time that we've ever got HelloFresh. Now all that food, I didn't tell you, was £41.99 I think, and that is for 5 meals for 2 people, but you can choose the meals that you would like. And yeah, so far so good. I think it is great. And so yeah, thanks ever so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Alright then, thank you, bye.